Hi everyone, welcome to Take a Walk with me, Doctor's Orders. It's kind of cool out here, 40 degrees. I think that got down to like 29 last night, but supposedly this is going to be like the last one. Supposed to be able to plant. I'm going to make sure of it, before I get out here and put all my plants out here. But it's nice. I mean, there's some doves up there. That's the ones that's been hanging around here. Clear day. There's a little breeze. We took the plants inside last night, and I'll be bringing them back out later. It's just 40 now, so I mean it's enough to bring them out, but I'm gonna wait till it warms up a little more. Thought I heard something up there. Now there was a little nest. Oh Lord, it's knocked down or something. There was a little nest up in here. Not that bee's nest, that's an old bee's nest, but there was a nest back in there. There it is. It's falling out. Right here. Let me see. Get a stick. I hope there wasn't any eggs in it. See that? Little nest. Well, there doesn't seem to have been any eggs. I don't see any eggs down there. It just I'd say it got blown out. The wind's blown that out of there, and at least they've had time to go somewhere else. Make another one, I imagine. Hey, flowers. Stump flowers. Got the old stump here. There is parts of a stump still here. If you can see down in there. This part of it. Right there. Yeah, I see stuff growing in here now. Plenty of stuff. Boy, this is a big one. That's a big one there. And there's stuff growing down in there now. Good. There's a nice one too. I can't wait to see what this one's gonna do. I'm trying to see if it has a little bloom in there, but I don't see anything. And I want to see what this thing does. Last year it stayed way down on the ground. It's turning into like a little bush or something. Pull my pants up a little. Beautiful day though. Yeah, it's breezy. I don't know if she was speaking to me or not. The neighbor was out standing right outside her door. I don't know what she was saying though. I can't get used to that bush not being there, but it does look good though. kind of opens up the yard and for some reason. Makes it look bigger even. My brother's a real blessing to us. And he helps out a lot. And my brother-in-law, he's a blessing too. He mows the bank every other time. Been doing it for years. I've got a great family, and that helps. Everybody, it's Mother's Day tomorrow. I want to say Happy Mother's Day to my mom, if you watch this today. Cardinal took off. There's another cardinal. That one that don't worry too much on top right now, that darker one. The cardinals, they'll take off pretty quick. See, that one took off on the rock and I wasn't even that close really. I'm not going to scare that one off. Get you some seeds. Get you some breakfast. Speaking of breakfast, I'm hungry this morning. Don't know what I want. Oh yeah, we had something Joy was going to fix. Oh. Yeah, I eat Swaggerty sausage. That's my favorite sausage. And I noticed, it's been a while back, I saw beside the Swaggerty sausage, I think it was at Food City, they have Swaggerty sausage biscuits. So we got some. I think I'm gonna have a couple of those and some grits if Joy feels like fixing anything this morning. If not, we can go get something somewhere. I try to have the grits every morning. I can't stress how important that is for me, because I don't absorb like pills, vitamins and stuff. If I just take like a hard vitamin, I won't get nothing out of it. Nothing. I don't absorb stuff like that very easy. So if I can, anything from food, if I can get my vitamins and stuff and my iron from food, that's a big plus. And in the Quaker butter flavored instant grits, in one little package, in one serving, there's 60% of your daily iron and other things too in it that's good for you. So I love them, and I'm gonna try to eat one every day if we fix something here, that is. No train this morning. Hadn't heard it all morning. Well, I guess that's going to be about it for the walk. I don't want to stand out here just too long. It's kind of cool. It should warm up. It's only going to be high 54, but I'm going to get these plants out here soon. I'll get Joy to help me bring them out. So, everybody, hope you enjoyed today's walk. Please press that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Everybody have a great day. I'm not for sure what I'm going to get into, but it's always something, as y'all see daily. Hey, it's Life with Mike. So, everybody have a great day, and I'll see you later. God bless.